Find me. There we are. Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. I'm at Lake Livingston State Park with Mike, KE0VIM from the Traveling Ham YouTube channel, and we're going to get this park on the air. Let's get to it. And then Mike is running, looks like N3FJP and the FT891. And he was doing some Morse code earlier with the CW Morse paddle there. Nice sack you got there.
These are those bags. Thank you. These are these bags they give you to hang in your awnings, so it keeps them weighted down. I'll take them. I'm usually somewhere I got rocks or sand, so I got some weight, and I'll lay that right over those tripod legs.
Oh, awesome!
And that keeps me from having to guy anything or having to stake anything in the ground. I just use these.
There was an antenna hiding in that shot. I bet you didn't even notice. No, I know you noticed. You're a ham. It's like 17-foot whip with a Wolf River coil tripod and some ABR coax. More bags, more better.
I'll use a little more weight in that one, but that's my more typical setup right there. This one's got a little more weight in it, so I'll put him. That leg, I think, needs it a little more.
All right, I am going to get myself spotted on POTA.app.
KE0VIM is the frequency in use. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike is the frequency in use, is the frequency in use. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike, one more time, is the frequency in use. CQ parks on the air. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike from Kilo 3028 Lake Livingston State Park in Texas. CQ parks on the air. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike.
Say hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Mike, what's your YouTube channel?
That would be the Traveling Ham. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike's call sign.
Excellent.
CQ parks on the air. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike. November 6 Hotel Uniform, gotcha. You're about a 5-7 into Kilo 3028. Back to you.
Kilo Echo 8 Papa Tango X-Ray, you are 5'9", Texas.
Kilo Echo 8 Papa Tango X-Ray, thank you. You are 5'9" to Kilo 3028. Back to you. Kilo Charlie 4 November Juliet X-Ray, gotcha. 5'9" to Kilo 3028.
Hotel Kilowatt 3 Alpha Victor Romeo QSL.
Hotel Kilo 3 Alpha Victor Romeo, thanks for the call from Columbia, my friend. I got you 5'9" in Texas. Alpha Fox 1 Uniform Sierra, you're 5'9" into Kilo 3028.
All right, I know you got me already, but this is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, just for all those haters out there.
Yeah, Steve, you're 10 over 9. You must have a bigger booming voice than your buddy.
I'm about twice the size that he is.
Oh, I can tell. Well, you got 10 over 9 Tennessee.
Copy the 10 over 9 Tennessee. Thank you for the contact. Have a great day, my friend. 73. Delta Alpha November. Dan, come on back.
Hey, buddy. Whiskey Delta for Delta Alpha November.
That's
You're
POTA
a 5'9",
Dan.
he's a 5'9". Everybody's a 5'9", Georgia.
You know, I give them out like they're candy, brother. How you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
I am doing pretty good. Let me give you over to Mike here real quick.
Hi.
Hey, Dan, this is Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike. You're 5'9", Kilo 3028.
5'9", Mike. Y'all have fun tonight. 7-3.
Thank you, Dan. 7'3", Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike, parks on the air. Kilo Echo 4 Mike Radio X-Ray. Did I get that correct?
Kilo Echo 4 Mike Romeo X-Ray. This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf, 5'9", Texas. Station ending Foxtrot, come back.
Kilo Oscar 4 Alpha Foxtrot Lima.
That will do. I guess I'll talk to you, Steve. How you doing?
Doing well, Steve. You are 5'9" in South Carolina.
All right, copy the 5'9" South Carolina. You should hear the pile up on this side. That was kind of crazy. I'm loving it. You guys are awesome. QRZ.
November 4, Radio Delta Juliet.
Station beginning November 4, please.
Thank you. November 4, Romeo Delta Juliet.
So we did this for about 2 hours. We made an amazing amount of contacts. The pileup was insane. 70 contacts. One of them was a dupe, so only 69 counted for the log, but we did the Day-Night Terminator, and that was pretty awesome. If you don't know what the Day-Night Terminator is, the POTA clock resets at UTC 0000, and everybody that contacted you 5 minutes before will contact you again, and it counts, which is awesome. Mike and I had a great time until the sun went down and we got eaten alive by mosquitoes. I got about 7,000 mosquito bites I need to account for, and that is a pain in many places on my body, and you don't need to know all of those places. Go check out Mike's channel. Mike is an awesome operator. Mike knows what he's doing, and Mike makes some amazing videos. His Grand Canyon activation is amazing. There is a link in the description down below. Just want to say thanks for being awesome, and check out this video next. I'll see you over there.